Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set live wallpaper in Galaxy A06 device. Guys, first of all, just long press the home screen and then go to wallpaper and style. So just tap change wallpaper, and as you guys see that we don't have any option of live wallpaper here. That means this device doesn't have default live wallpaper. Now for live wallpaper, we are using a third-party application from the Play Store. So all you guys have to do is just go to Play Store and here search for a Zedge. So by the way, this is an application Zedge Wallpaper and Ringtones. Install this application. Okay, now after installing, just open up the application and accept the terms and conditions. After that, allow the notifications and that's it. Now, as you see on the top, we have wallpaper and on the other end, we have video wallpaper. So right now we are talking about live wallpapers. So just go to video wallpapers and these are all the video wallpapers. Just select any one of them, like I am selecting this one, and then click to download. Guys, we have two options. Number one, use credit cards, and the other one is just watch the ad to download the wallpaper. So just click to watch ad. So after watching the ad, just click set video wallpaper and then click to set wallpaper. I am just selecting home screen and the wallpaper is now successfully added. This is how it look like. So guys, that's how we can set live wallpaper in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.